In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Zoom meeting app as a webcam. To kick things off, make sure your webcam is already connected and properly set up. Once you've ensured that everything's in place, head over to the Zoom website. Now let's go through the steps to get everything working smoothly. Start by visiting the Zoom webpage on your browser. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option, usually located at the top right of the page, and click on it. This will direct you to a login page where you have several options. For convenience today, we're going to use the Google button to sign in. This allows you to connect to Zoom using your Google account, saving the need to remember another set of login details. After clicking on the Google Sign-In option, you'll be prompted to select your Google account from a list. Make sure to pick the one that's associated with your Zoom meetings, and you'll be logged in no time. With your account now active, you're ready to either join an existing meeting or set up a new one. This can be done directly from the homepage of your Zoom account, allowing you quick access to start connecting with colleagues, friends, or family. Now, once you're in the meeting interface, whether you've joined an existing meeting or created a new one, you'll want to locate the camera options. It's usually represented by three dots next to the camera icon, often at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on these dots will give you a list of camera options. From there, you'll need to select your webcam from the list of available devices. This is a crucial step because it tells Zoom which camera feed to use for your meeting, ensuring that you're using your preferred webcam. And there you have it. By following these few straightforward steps and making sure your webcam is selected, you can use Zoom as a great alternative for your webcam needs. Whether you're teaching a class, attending a meeting, or catching up with family, Zoom can offer a seamless solution for your video conferencing requirements. Keep in mind, if you encounter any issues, it might be worth double-checking that your webcam drivers are updated or revisiting the connection settings on your device. If problems persist, Zoom's Support Center is a fantastic resource for troubleshooting. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it enhances your video communication experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tutorials like this.